Welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down the key differences between LVP flooring and laminate flooring so that you can make the best choice for your home. If you're planning a flooring project, you've probably come across these two popular options: LVP, or luxury vinyl plank flooring, and laminate flooring. Both are great choices, but they have some important differences. Let's dive in. 1. Material composition. First, let's talk about what each of these floors is made of. LVP flooring is made from multiple layers of vinyl, making it incredibly durable and water-resistant. On the other hand, laminate flooring is made from a high-density fiberboard core with a photographic layer that mimics wood, stone, or other materials. 2. Durability and water resistance. When it comes to durability and water resistance, LVP has the upper hand. It's 100% waterproof, making it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. Laminate is water-resistant, but prolonged exposure to moisture can cause it to swell and warp. 3. Appearance and texture. Both LVP and laminate offer a wide range of styles, colors, and textures. LVP often has a more realistic wood or stone appearance due to its embossed texture, which feels more like natural materials underfoot. Laminate also looks great, but it might feel slightly more artificial due to its smoother surface. 4. Installation process. Both LVP and laminate flooring are designed for easy DIY installation. They usually feature a click-lock system, allowing the planks to snap together without the need for glue or nails. However, LVP can be a bit more forgiving when installed over uneven surfaces, while laminate requires a perfectly level subfloor. 5. Cost comparison. Price is another factor to consider. Generally, LVP is slightly more expensive than laminate, but the cost difference can vary based on brand, style, and quality. While laminate is often a budget-friendly option, the added durability and water resistance of LVP might justify the higher price tag. So, which flooring is right for you? If you need something waterproof and durable for high moisture areas, LVP might be your best bet. But if you're looking for an affordable, stylish option for living areas, laminate could be the way to go. Both are excellent choices, it all depends on your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more home improvement tips and comparisons.